Hello everyone, welcome to Hungry Hours. Today we are going to do something very different from what you usually see on my channel. As we all know, 12th of July is celebrated as the World Paper Bag Day. This is a very important day as we need to know the importance of using paper bags in our day-to-day life instead of plastic bags. As we all know that plastic bags are non-biodegradable and it causes a lot of pollution. So today I am going to show you how to make a very beautiful paper bag which you can use in your daily life. So let's get started. Also, this is a very good hobby for anyone and anyone can make this and it will keep you occupied during this lockdown. For this you need one newspaper, Fevicol, tape and scissors. We are going to divide this newspaper into small parts. And now we will cut this newspaper into further smaller strips. It is okay if it is untidy because you are going to put Fevicol on it and roll it up. So now we are going to fold these strips into half lengthwise. And then fold it again. Now let us put some Fevicol to hold them into place. Press it lightly. Fold all the other strips in the similar way. Okay guys, so we are now done making all the strips from the newspaper. So we are going to arrange them now. So we are going to build this way. This is going to denote the width and the breadth of the bag, and this way it is going to be the height. So I'm going to make a small bag, so I only require this length. If you want to make a bigger bag, you need to make it a little longer. Maybe you can attach two strips together like this. So let us start. We are going to make a weaving pattern with one strip on the top and one strip on the bottom, like this. Since we need the height of the bag to be short, we are going to cut these strips into half. So we are done with sticking all the strips together. So now we will stick the bag. So I'm going to keep 3 strips for the shorter end and 6 for the opposite ends. We will stick them from the inner edges. Now we will stick the base. So as you see, I have left some extra space on the bottom of this. So I will stick this together. I am done sticking the opposite ends. Now I'll start with the shorter sides. The base is fully glued now. So now we will take some tape and put it across the base to reinforce the base. Now we'll make the handles for this. For the handles, you take a strip like this and fold it in a A shape and stick it here, right in the middle. Do the same for the other handle. And press firmly. Now we are going to take a similar strip like this and line it from the inside so that our handles become firm. So we have this one strip and we are going to line it on the inside. Okay, so we are done. have a look at this. This is how I lined it. So now our handles are firm and sturdy, and our base is enforced with tape, so even that is sturdy. So now our bag is ready. Look how beautiful this bag is. I made a small bag because I wanted to keep a few things of mine like nail paints hanging in here. But if you want, you can always change the size of the bag according to your need. And this bag is very pretty if you decorate it a little bit or paint it if you have paints. That's totally up to you, but this looks totally amazing even without any kind of decoration. So do try this. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.